To make a Masoor Dal Pilau, we soaked 3/4 cups of Masoor
I've
Dal.
added about 2.5 tablespoons of oil.
I added 1 1/4 finely blended onions. I've added 6 to 8 curry pattas and 2 round red chilies. I added 1 cinnamon that I had broken. I'm adding a teaspoon of jeera. I'm adding 5 cloves and 5 peppercorns. I'm adding 1 star anise and 1 badi ilachi. I'm going to add 1 finely cut green chili, and you can adjust this to your taste. To add a tablespoon of ginger. I'll add a tablespoon of garlic. Saute the mixture till it's light gold. I soaked about 1 1/4 cup of basmati rice. Once the onion becomes light gold, you add the dal. After adding the dal, I've added a cup of water. And I added 1 large potato. I've also added salt to taste. And I'm going to cook this until the masoor gets partly cooked. We want the masoor to hold its shape. I ended up cooking it for 15 minutes and then I checked it. So after cooking the masoor for about 15 minutes, I noticed that it's still holding its shape. And I think it's time to move on to the next step. I did not need 20 minutes. I've added a cup of yogurt. I've added half teaspoon of haldi. I've added 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and a quarter teaspoon of garam masala. Cook down the masala for about 3 minutes. My basmati rice had been soaking for about an hour, so they're going to take a lesser time to cook. And so I'm going to wash them and drain them and make them ready for use. And this will be a perfect time to check your Masoor Dal Pulao for salt. I'm adding 2 cups of water since my rice had been soaking for quite a long time, so they'll take less time to cook.
So there goes another cup of water.
Check the salt again. Once the water comes to a roaring boil, I will add my rice. Give everything a good mix. Cook it and then on medium heat for about 10 minutes and then check it. After 10 minutes, gently fluff out the rice. My Masoor Dal Pulao is ready, and it just took 10 minutes of cooking towards the end because my rice had been soaking for a lot longer. So the longer you soak, the shorter time. To try this recipe, it gives you a good change. Serve it with some Kachumber and some Raita. Like, share and subscribe. I hope to see more likes as time goes on. See you later and have a great day. Bye.